From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, warm and windy conditions sticking with us for the better part of this week, but cold front's going to get here, a stronger cold front for that matter, Thursday night, and that's going to send in a quick round of some cooler temperatures, it looks like, for the end of the week Friday and then the start of the weekend on Saturday. But at this point, it looks short-lived as warmer weather could return toward the end of that 10-day period. But real quick, satellite radar composite, again, relatively quiet here across the deep south, but we do have a pretty strong storm system ongoing here, producing the threat of severe weather from Texas, Oklahoma, up towards Kansas late this evening. But again, the bulk of this energy is pretty much going to be bypassing us off to the north here over the next 24 hours. Meanwhile, for us, again, relatively quiet out there tonight. Temperatures upper 60s if we're lucky. Clouds will be building, winds picking up after midnight tonight, so that should keep the fog situation at bay. But nonetheless, mild and muggy out there. And you see this cold front maybe getting excited, but unfortunately it's going to kind of be fizzling out across the region tomorrow afternoon. So no real cooler weather behind this front. A couple of isolated showers possible, but really rain chances no better than around 10 to 20%. Again, winds will be breezy out ahead of the boundary, out of the southwest, sustained 10 to 20. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon, again, staying on the warm side, upper 70s to lower 80s, and then we're going to hold mid 60s tomorrow night heading into Tuesday morning. Maybe a slight reduction in those humidity values for northern Acadiana, but that would be about it. Again, we stay on the warm side through the middle parts of the week. Temperatures upper 70s, but I think most of us sneak into the lower 80s Tuesday afternoon with more of a partly cloudy sky for the second half of the day. Main story in the short term will be those winds picking up after midnight tonight and lasting through the better part of our Monday, at least for the first half of the day, sustained. Again, 10 to 20 miles per hour, but those gusts at times even a little bit higher than that. Check it out, 30, 35 miles per hour, certainly possible through tomorrow morning. And then it does appear that those winds will start to relax just a bit as tomorrow afternoon wears on. As far as our temperatures, again, mild and muggy tonight. Upper 60s if we're lucky. We're pretty much going to be hovering upper 60s to lower 70s all night long. And then here we go, upper 70s to near 80 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Mid 60s. First thing Tuesday morning, notice much cooler off to the north, upper 40s to lower 50s for the northern parts of the state. And then we're pushing well into the lower 80s for our Tuesday afternoon. 69, your projected low temperature tonight under partly cloudy skies. Again, winds will start to pick up after midnight and last at least through the first half of tomorrow. Again, out of the southwest, 10 to 20, gusts exceeding 30 at times. Mostly cloudy for the better part of the day. We're going to go 80 for your projected high temperature, maybe a brief isolated shower or two as that front kind of dies out across the region tomorrow afternoon, but that would be about it. Otherwise, we stay quite warm through the middle parts of the week. Look at these temperatures, low to even potentially mid 80s in spots, but here comes that strong cold front late on Thursday, really Thursday evening heading into Thursday night. Showers and storms likely, probably going to be some sort of a severe weather threat as well, so we'll have to watch that closely over the next few days, and then a brief cool down for Friday and Saturday with highs in the 60s, overnight lows returning to the 40s. Well, that's a look at weather for now, but stay with us. We're going to have more news coming up after the break.